previous class we have studied about latent heat and specific heat, how we can measure them also. Now, today we will discuss the variation of melting point and a boiling point. Melting point, boiling point means at that place we can use the latent heat also. So, variation of latent heat by pressure. When the pressure is changed, melting point as well as boiling point both are changed. With this, we can see some of the natural things in our daily life. Now first, pressure cooker. We know that in pressure cooker cooking is very fast. Why? For that we want to discuss about the variation of boiling point of water. Now let us first want to discuss about that. At hill stations the pressure is less. When the pressure is less, the boiling point is also less. It means when the pressure is decreases, the boiling point also decreases. Especially on the hill stations, pressure is less. When we go up, the pressure is decreases. Hill stations automatically pressure is less. On the hill stations, the pressure is less, so the boiling point is less. That's why what I mentioned, boiling point or boiling temperature is decreasing. By decreasing the pressure means so cooking is not possible on the hill stations. Why here pressure is less? On the hill stations pressure is less, so it is not possible to cooking. So but how we can cook it? By increasing the pressure. Atmosphere pressure we can't change. That's why one instrument is designed. That instrument is pressure cooker. If the pressure is increasing, boiling temperature is increases. Based on this principle, pressure cooker works. Inside a pressure cooker, which we are increasing, pressure is increasing. When the pressure is increases, the boiling point is increases. That's why the cooking is very fast. But here the main topic is when the pressure is increases, what is the boiling point? Pressure is increases, boiling point is increases. If the pressure is decreases, boiling point is decreases. The question may be like this: what about the pressure? What about the pressure? When answer. What about the boiling point? What about the boiling point? When pressure increases, pressure decreases. When the pressure increases, boiling point is increases. When the pressure decreases, boiling point is decreases. Okay? This is one of the topic. Next one, boiling point is completed. Next one is melting point. Boiling point means the conversion from liquid to gas. Melting point means conversion from solid to liquid. Now, it is opposite. Melting point or temperature is decreases by increasing the pressure. So, it is easy to cut ice cube by a small thread into two pieces. Let us take ice cube, bulk size of ice cube. Now we want to cut into two pieces. It is a bulk size of ice cube. Now we want to cut into two pieces. What we want to take? We take one small thread and apply weights on it. When the pressure is increases, the boiling, melting temperature, what happens? Decreases. At this place, that water layer will form and divided into pieces. Especially this is happened in the ice factories. If you want to purchase ice cream, if you want a small piece, you can cut that by using a thread. Okay. Now, based on this, we have 2 marks question that we want to discuss. Okay. When the pressure is increases, the melting point what happens? Decreases. When the pressure is increases, melting point is decreases. If the pressure is decreases, melting point decreases. Is it clear? Now the pressure is increases. Opposite. Pressure increases, melting point is decreases. The pressure increases, melting point is increases. Are you followed? Pressure is increases, melting point is decreases. Immediately means when the pressure decreases, melting point is increases. Now here what happens? Pressure is increases, the melting point is decreases. That's why it is easy to cut the ice cube into 2 pieces. Now the opposite we want to discuss now. This is important. 2 ice pieces. 2 ice pieces pressed together. Pressure is increases. Pressed together. Pressure is increases at the place of meet. At the place of meet of ice pieces, water layer is formed. Why the water layer is formed? When the pressure is increases at the contact place, melting point is decreases. So at that place, water layer will forms. What is forms? Water layer is forms. If pressure is removed, now you can press it at the meet place, water layer will form. If you remove the pressure what happens? Decreases. So pressure decreases, whatever melting point what happens? Increases. So the 2 ice cubes become as a single ice block or single block. This is called regeneration of ice. 2 years back or 3 years back in annual examination we got this 2 marks question. What is the regeneration of ice? Regeneration of ice. What is the meaning of that? When the pressure is increased, when the 2 ice pieces are contact, at that place melting point is decreases, water layer will forms. If we remove the pressure, at which place the water layer will forms, at that point the melting point what happens? Increases. So the water layer become as a ice and the 2 ice blocks become as a single block. This phenomenon is called as actual regeneration of ice. Okay, this is very important for 2 marks question. Okay. Anyhow, when the pressure is increases, what happens? Melting point is decreases. Listen carefully. When the pressure is increases, melting point is decreases. If the pressure is increases, boiling point what happens? The pressure is decreases, boiling point is decreases. Quite opposite. Boiling point is decreases when the pressure is decreases, but melting point is decreases by increasing the pressure. These 2 we can face in our daily life. And the melting point topic is also used in one case. In this online class, it is not there to explain that. Okay, an offline classes only it is possible. Another example is that it is a very funny example. Okay, it is not possible to explain now, and especially in cooking section you can use that principle. Not now. Okay, just record this in your notes. Once again repeat listen that based on the which principle the pressure cooker is works. The pressure is increases, boiling point increases. On that principle, pressure cooker is works. Regeneration of ice works under which principle? When the pressure is increases, melting point is decreases.